that she did something during the day that she wasn't supposed to, or she
You think
hit
she
her or
remembers
something.
by the time you get home?
Oh yeah. And then we'll like come home. I come home and she'll tell me, and then Maya will get mad.
Okay. That wasn't that bad.
And then Alma will be
That wasn't that bad, okay? Okay, I'm gonna tape this for future so you can see this. Okay, yeah. Yeah. Okay, what happened here? Maya, what happened? What happened? Maya, what happened?